Today we are creating a soft, elegant floral neckline. For this project, we are using two complementary shades, a deep romantic dark pink and a soft off-white. Our canvas is a natural beige cotton fabric, stretched nice and drum tight in an 8-inch wooden hoop.
Whether you want to build a solid foundation with beginner to pro, create elegant text with creative lettering, explore modern designs, or master the classic art of smocking, you can learn at your own pace. Choose from intricate dress embellishments, vibrant flower collections, or our unique card embroidery masterclass. 8 independent courses designed for you to choose exactly what you want to learn. Check the links to find your course on Udemy. Let's make something beautiful today.
To keep our layout clean and precise, we'll be using a plastic cross-stitch mesh as a grid template, along with a heat-erasable pen to mark our guide dots. If you don't have a mesh sheet handy, a simple clear ruler works just as well. We are placing our dots exactly 1 centimeter apart. Our motif consists of a 9-dot square pattern for each flower, which features 4 beautiful woven picot petals. Today we're shaping this into a classic U neckline border, perfect for a blouse, tunic, or custom dress. Let's prepare our foundation thread. We are using off-white embroidery floss. Notice how I separate the strands. Instead of using the floss straight from the skein, I gently pull each strand out one by one, taking away 2 strands and bringing 4 back together undoes the natural twist in the thread. This strips the twist from the thread, helping it lay flat and luxurious against the fabric. Secure the end with a small neat knot. Starting right at the center of our 9-dot square, we are making 4 sets of straight stitches, extending outward to the corners. Each corner gets 3 straight stitches placed close together. These 12 foundation lines form the sturdy frame for our petals. Work your way across the guide dots. Here we are placing 6 flowers horizontally along the base and 3 moving upward along each side. If you prefer a wider or deeper neckline, simply extend your grid with a few extra sets of dots. Once your foundational straight stitches are complete, take a warm iron and gently press the fabric. Watching the guide dots instantly vanish under the heat is always such a satisfying moment. Now for the highlight of our design, the woven picots. Switch to a blunt tapestry needle threaded with 4 strands of our dark pink floss. A blunt needle is key here because it glides under the foundation threads effortlessly without splitting or snagging them. Bring your needle up near the center of the first flower. We'll begin weaving back and forth, over and under across those 3 foundation lines. Keep your tension light and even. As you weave, gently push the threads towards the center with your needle to create a plump, 3-dimensional petal that sits beautifully off the fabric. Once a petal is full, bring your needle to the back, secure it lightly and move to the next. Take your time with each one. There's no rush, just enjoy the rhythmic motion of the weave. Now, let's talk about how versatile this sweet little 9-dot pattern really is. Once you master this simple grid setup, you aren't limited to just necklines. Imagine placing this delicate woven border along the edge of a sleeve cuff or framing the hem of a linen blouse or a toddler's dress. It brings such a thoughtful boutique feel to simple clothing. It's also breathtaking on home decor. Try running a long row of these picot flowers along the border of a plain linen tablecloth, a set of cloth napkins, or across the edge of a cozy throw pillow. Look at how that dimensional texture pops against the smooth beige cotton. To complete our border, we'll finish with a tiny, thoughtful detail, delicate off-white straight stitches anchored along the outer edges of each flower. This subtle frame unifies the entire pattern, giving the square grid a crisp, high-end, tailored finish. And there we have it, a stunning handcrafted U neckline border that elevates a simple piece into something truly extraordinary. There are so many ways to bring this little pattern to life. Just let your creativity wander and see where the needle takes you. It's a peaceful, satisfying project, so take a deep breath, gather your materials, and let's enjoy this process together.